Granite countertops are a beautiful and durable addition to any kitchen, but over time, they can become dull and lose their shine. That's where professional granite countertop cleaning, polishing, and sealing comes in. First, we go over the countertop lightly with a flat-edge razor blade to remove any food or debris that has become stuck to the counter over time. A deep cleansing cream is used to clean and remove buildup of hard water, cleaners, and greasy films that leave your countertops covered with fingerprints and smudges. Finally, we use a special granite polishing compound to restore the luster of your countertops back to their original shine. Once your granite countertops are sparkling clean, we use a professional-grade sealer to help protect your granite from future staining, keeping them looking beautiful for years to come. The benefits of professional granite countertop cleaning, polishing, and sealing go beyond just the aesthetic. They also help extend the life of your countertop, saving you money in the long run. So if you would like to keep your granite countertops looking their best, consider professional cleaning, polishing, and sealing. With our expertise and specialized techniques at Beyond Clean Tile, we can help you achieve a beautiful, long-lasting finish.